Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. Just a little quick job here I had to do in the house. I had some dampness inside this wall, inside there, and we had a real bad rain here in San Diego, and couldn't for the life of me figure out what it was because there were no pipes in these walls here at all, zero. Finally figured it out. It rained again, and I observed outside a little bit of puddling here, just a little bit, not something extreme. But here I examined, this is like expansion joint or construction material that goes in between a concrete patio and a slab, which is on the other side, which is the house is built on a slab. There's no cellar, okay? So the material, the expansion material goes right up to there, and then it looks like it's sunken way down, or it's even missing here, here, and here. So all that rain came down, puddled a little bit here, but went in there and filled that crack up pretty good. And then that sat for X number of days, and eventually the walls, you know, there's wood joists down there and wall material, drywall, and so on and so forth. All that stuff will suck up moisture pretty good. So that's what happened. Anyway, long story short, so I'm going to fill this in with this, and then I'm going to seal it up with some caulking, which is some special, it's actually Henry's roofing caulking, but I talked with a guy at Home Depot, and he thought this would make a really pretty good seal down there. It could be just that alone would do it, but I'm going to double up and put this down around there and a little bit around the corner then, and I think the problem will be solved. Okay, well, I had to cut it into thinner pieces. See those thin pieces? And I put one thin piece down, and it went down further in there. Then I put another thin piece on top. So I've got the whole thing is stuffed pretty good with this material. And I also, it seems like there's a crack, which is not unusual, between parts of the slab back here. So I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but I'm going to seal that up also, so that if there is any water that gets here, not much will get through, and it'll go that way, more or less. That's the plan. Okay, well, I used the caulking gun and I shot it all the way along there, and then I used a little bit of that plastic sheet wrapped around my finger to push it in there against the expansion plastic stuff. And then I took some sand and I just kind of lay some sand on top of it. The sand will stick a little bit to the black stuff so it doesn't show up quite as bad. And then, you know, the excess will just blow away, or I'll sweep it off later. So anyway, that's what I did. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. And ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.